is wide. It's what keeps us together, and it's the reason we divide. Some days it's strong, some days it's weak. Let's say the things that we both know. Gonna take these words and make them stone. I know a place on the edge of town where whiskey and the wind are the only sound. Let's make like a tree, grow some roots, do all the things that old folks do. I need you and you need me. What else more could someone need? You got a key and I've got a lock. Let's build a house upon a rock. Let's build a house upon a rock. On someone to lie with, rely on to fly with, wanna drive all night and head out west, get lost in Montana, find the Santa Ana. If we're going nowhere, house upon a rock. Ooh. I need you when you need me. What else more could someone need? You got a key and I've got a lock. Let's build a house upon a rock. Let's build a house upon a rock. And if that well runs dry, that'll never cross our minds. So bring on the aftershock. Let's build a house upon a rock. Let's build a house upon a rock.
This world is small, but full of things that we will never know. Answers to questions we try to find, the reason that we live and why we die. But I know I've seen simple mystery. So come on, babe, let's not waste a moment or another day with answers to questions. Let's live our lives, finding a meaning of a different kind. I know what I've seen in you and me. All the wonders of this world I found, they mean nothing without you. And all the answers that may come from my mouth, they mean nothing without you, without you. Imagine that, the dimples in your cheeks when I make you laugh. I know what I've seen